Alright, it's a 2018 Charger. It's got the 6.4 liter engine in it. This customer bought the custom X pipe for it. We're gonna put a set of Carven mufflers on here. These are the 3-inch Carven mufflers. We bought some dual tips, MBRPs. Nice tips. We're gonna change out this valance on there for the dual tips. That's right there. So we'll get all this put together. There's your X pipe. It's got an X pipe in them originally already, but customer wants to put a aftermarket one in. Gonna take those mufflers out and put the Carvens in there. Gonna leave the active exhaust valves in there for now. Might want to do a delete kit on it later. Then we'll take those mufflers out, delete them, straight pipe, and put those chrome tips in there. All right, so we got this thing all finished up. Put the customer's X pipe assembly in there. Got the 2 Carven mufflers inside there. Did the rear muffler deletes. Put the tips in there. Put that valance on there. We had to cut the plastic frame out in order to accommodate it. Came out pretty nice. Looks really good. See how it sounds. Those are the Carven R series mufflers. Carven R series mufflers. Back mufflers were deleted. X pipe. It's got the 6.4 liter engine in it.